Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's JASMY video update. And it's better to take your profits out if you are in any profits, by the way, because the technical target of this double bottom here for JASMY is supposed to actually still be this level right here, but weekend is around the corner. Based on Bitcoin is trying to break out of its own what do you call this, double bottom. Just watch the Bitcoin update today, and there's a chance of Bitcoin to actually fail retesting that resistance and actually going to the downside, right? So if you're in any profits, it's always better to take your profits. The thing and the question really is can JASMY actually come down a little bit here during the weekend and hold this level? This will be an amazing entry, and you might be looking for JASMY to give you this entry right here on a daily time frame and pump all the way up to 20% uprise, right? So one big stop loss, of course, is going to be 9626. If you ever take 9626, then that's going to be really bad, okay? Really bad. And right now there's a little bit of a pattern that I'm actually trying to notice here as well. So that's going to be a channel potentially, okay? So this, you can already see that you did have a lot of touches right there. You did have one touch right here, and you did have one touch right there. So there's a potential channel that is actually on the making, and there's this another channel that it can actually be on the making as well. So are you coming down to retest this level? You might potentially start to lose this level, but actually end up finding a support there and try to move up in a channel like this. So anything we're going to see, number one level to look forward to is this one right over here, 10349. This is actually going to determine if this was actually your double bottom or not, right? And for this retest is going to make it actually bounce off here and try to go up to that level, making it a double bottom. Otherwise, if you're going to lose this level, then this isn't the next place you're looking forward to. And if you start to close below this one, then that's going to be way bad to continue to the downside. And that's it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.